Hello, in this video I want to show you how to buy upgrades in Voices of the Void. To do this, first we'll need to power on our computer in the middle of all of the terminals, and you can do it by approaching it and then on 2 there's activate. Make sure to power it on. And right here we can use the computer now. There's upgrades, and now you can see the list of all upgrades available. There's a price right here, and you can find your money in the top left corner of the screen. And if you have enough money, you'll be able to upgrade the specific level of something that you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.